Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? I hope you'll be fine. Open your books, page number 7. Today we will study about sentences. What is a sentence? A sentence is the basic unit of a language. It is a group of words that makes complete sense, states something, asks a question, or expresses a certain thought. Words and phrases make sense but not complete sense. They cannot be used by themselves but are part of a sentence. Thus, a sentence is a group of words that expresses a thought and makes complete sense. Sentences always begin with capital letters. Most sentences end with a full stop. Some end with a question mark or exclamation mark. These two sentences are not complete. The dog and the cat. Under a tree at night. These two sentences are complete. The dog and the cat were best friends. We slept under a tree at night. Part A. Match two columns to make meaningful sentences. First is the bus was very crowded in the morning. Second is our colony has been without electricity since last night. Third, Dr. Ahmed is always very concerned about his patients. Many cricket matches and without any result. The Emperor Akbar always liked talking to wise and learned men. My parents think I watch too much television. Sinhalese and Tamil are the two main languages of Sri Lanka. The monastery at Tawang is the second oldest in Asia. Part B. Take the complete sentences and put a cross against the incomplete ones. First is urgently needed a new car. Cross. 2. Help will soon arrive. Check. Children who eat too many sweets. Cross. The spring flowers are blooming and the birds. Cross. Many tourists visit Egypt to see the pyramids. Tick. The story of Sinbad the sailor is from the Arabian Nights. Tick. Although man tried his best. Cross. Let us go tomorrow. Tick. If the train does not arrive on time. Cross. I was waiting at the bus stop. Tick. Second is kinds of sentences. There are different kinds of sentences and we can classify all these kinds of sentences in 4 groups. For example, statement, interrogative, imperative and exclamatory. A statement gives some information. It always ends with a full stop. For example, Rahil asked the driver the latest cricket score. An interrogative sentence or question asks for information. It always ends with a question mark. Some questions can be answered with yes or no. Some questions can be answered in a single word or a few words. Other questions require a statement as an answer. For example, did you swim across the river? No. Yes or no. How many chocolates did you eat? 5. Do you prefer chocolates or sweets? Usually chocolates. Why did you sleep on the balcony last night? I wanted to get some fresh air. A statement form. Note that the answers are not always complete sentences. When we speak, we can answer questions with incomplete sentences. Third type is an imperative sentence. Imperative sentence issue a command, makes a request or gives advice. For example, go to the library, children. Command. Please clear the table. Request. Fasten your seat belts. Advice. Fourth is an exclamatory sentence. Says something forcefully or expresses a strong feeling. It ends with an exclamation mark. For example, my cycle has disappeared. Isn't this wonderful news? How cold it is today, etc. Related exercise is part C. Rearrange these words to make complete sentences. Write what type of sentence it is. Do not forget to punctuate the sentences. We are to rearrange the words to make complete sentences. We are to write the type of sentence, and we are to punctuate the sentence also. For example, 5 the box chocolates contains. The box contains 5 chocolates, and it is a statement. Second, busy Azad Market is place. Azad Market is a busy place. It is a statement. So in this form, we are to rearrange these words to make complete sentences and write what type of sentence it is, and we are to punctuate them also. Part D, fill in the blanks with what, a, or what an. What soft feathers, what a girl, what an exciting day, what a delicious meal, what a colorful suit, what strong muscles, what an easy puzzle, what a beautiful peacock, what strange manners, what a cheek. Part E. Rearrange these words to make exclamatory sentences. We are to rearrange these words to make exclamatory sentences. A view breathtaking is that what mountains of the. What a breathtaking view of the mountain that is. In this way, we are to rearrange these words to make exclamatory sentences. Part F. Change these statements into exclamatory sentences by using how or what. You may not need to use every word given. You can add words of your own. For example, this building is very tall. What a tall building this is. Or how tall this building is. 2. Kotri is very hot and dusty. How hot and dusty Kotri is. In this way, we are to change these statements into exclamatory sentences. Part G. Rearrange these words to make imperative sentences. We are to rearrange these words to make imperative sentences. Drive lane always in the correct. Always drive in the correct lane. Door away from stand away from the door. In this way, we are to rearrange these words to make imperative sentences. Solution of all these questions has been attached with your diary.